Ghost of the redwoods rose sky high. We laid roses at the feet of the martyrs again. Acts of devotion from black-clad orphans, running on fumes, on the fear we just might win. And what then? They said that she's an imposter. Take a look at her sneakers. Wonder what she's after, baby. I wonder who's sent her. But keep your eyes on the preacher. He might be taking a picture, like some 3%er double feature picture show. But I'll be waiting at the front line like a landmine, my friend. Writing 13, 12 in lipstick on the windows again. We wear umbrellas in the summer, 'cause you just can't trust the wind. Wildfire seasons rolling. By the time they all came running in to fuck us up, we were laughing in the back of a pickup truck. This is the summer when we press our luck like there's nothing left to do. But keep your eyes on the tall one. He's got an H46 gun. There's poison in the air. There's petals drifting everywhere. But I'll be waiting at the front line like a landmine, my friend. Riding epithets in kerosene again. We wear umbrellas in the summer, 'cause you just can't trust the wind.